He was born weak, but his mind was filled with endless questions. He met the universe in books, not among people. The world stopped, but his thoughts grew stronger. Why does it fall? That simple question changed physics forever. From the apple to the moon, everything followed one law. He discovered that light was not one, but made of many colors. To measure a changing world, he created a new kind of mathematics. Amid fierce debates, he led science while holding firm to truth. If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shore.